We have the next race of the century, never before seen on the internet. A motorhome and a school bus. The 7.3 International against a 360 Dodge. I guess we can already see who the champion is. But we really don't know. This will be our first race. Let's find out. Man, this thing is horrid, but it was free. Ugh. Oh my God. There's our redneck gas can system. It's working good. We're warming her up. It's got a perfect motor in it. Yeah, baby. Little red line for a good time. And she's ancient. 1981. Oh my God. Well, what do you expect for free? Who can complain? Let's get her done and do her. Let's do her. Oh my God. Remember, I'm the champion. Hey, fire up your bus. Hey, don't injure any of that bud.
Dave's going to race the bus in a Winnebago. Well, there's a first for the farm, eh? Well, I never. Winnebago versus the bus. If he gets her started. Oh, she sounds nice. She sounds good. Don't know though, the bus is quite quick. Oh, it's a bit stinky. Well, off they go. Well, here they come. I don't know. I think the bus is lagging behind a little bit. Yeah, the old Winnebago, she's going well. Look at her go. She sounds nice. She done the bus easy. Easily done the bus. I wonder what Dave's got to say about that. Here he comes.
I am the champion! How see my motorhome is!
That's pretty quick, Dave, that thing.
Did I get very far ahead of him?
Oh yeah, you were all the way in front. Good cut of bus lengths, anyhow. Very nice. He done you easily, eh?
I think you're carrying too much mud back there.
Yeah.
I know, I've got a couple £100 of mud back here.
That's the trouble. Yeah, lots of mud in there. Yeah. Look at this stuff. And he's driving around with that. You sure that's safe?
I think so.
Oh well, you got a smile on your face anyhow.
Well, I guess I gotta go back and have a little dip.
Yeah.
See you later.
See you later, mate. There he goes. Maybe Dave will be sleeping in that tonight, who knows? Lovely.